Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to connect Apple Music to Discord. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar type Apple Music to Discord and press enter. From the results, look for the official GitHub page. It should say something like Apple Music RPC on GitHub. Click on that link to open it. Once you are on the GitHub page, scroll down and look at the right side of the screen. There you will see a section called Releases. Click on the Releases button to open the download options. Under the latest release, you will find different files for different systems. Since we are using Windows, click on the file named Win64zip. This will start the download. When the zip file has finished downloading, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the file and choose Extract. Once the folder is extracted, open it. Inside you will see several files. Look for the one named Apple Music RPC. It will have the executable icon. Double-click on Apple Music RPC to run it. As soon as it opens, it will automatically connect Apple Music to your Discord account. Thanks for watching.